Welcome dear learners, welcome to the lecture series on investment management. Now, today I would like to summarize the concepts in unit number 1, that is Introduction to Investments. Now we thought of making a summary video at the end of each unit so that people also understand the scope of unit. That means the idea to craft the summary video is that to make people understand the scope of individual unit also. Now coming to unit number 1, now we are done with unit number 1, and in unit number 1 we have learned the meaning of investments, why people invest, if they do not invest then what, the process of investment decision, how people, what is the process followed when people makes investment decision. Then we have understood what all the factors we need to consider before we make an investment decision, what are the sources available for the investment decision. Then we have understood the concept of risk, the sources of risk, types of risk. Then we have also discussed the concept of return, realized return, expected return, ex ante and ex post returns. Then we moved on to approaches to investment analysis, where we discussed fundamental analysis and technical analysis. In the last, we have also discussed risk return trade-off, risk aversion, risk premium, and efficient market hypothesis. Now this is what is all about unit number 1. I hope you understood unit number 1. Let us discuss what are the important areas where you need to concentrate in unit number 1. So coming to the important areas you need to concentrate is, from the examination point of view, you need to study the concept of investment, that is fundamental concept of investment, investment decision process, sources of investment information, and factors to be considered while investing. This is one part you need to concentrate. The second part you need to concentrate is on the approaches to investment analysis. That is, you have two approaches: fundamental analysis, technical analysis. And the third part you need to concentrate is efficient market hypothesis. Now these are the three important parts which you need to understand clearly, because out of these three you will be getting any two for the examination. Let me again explain you these three parts. One part is all about the basics of investments, like what is investments, investment decision process, factors to be considered while investing, and sources of investment information. The second question is approaches to investment analysis, both fundamental and technical. This is the second part. The third part is efficient market hypothesis. Out of these three, any two will be given for your examination. So I hope you understood the unit number 1. If you still have any clarifications to be made on it, you can comment in the comment box. We will be coming up with unit number 2 in due course of time. Till then, good day, goodbye.